Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. Just to get my phone. Wait. I can't. All right, that's enough. That's enough.
Y'all good?
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes, because he eating all the food.
Yeah, we're gonna move on.
That's okay. We good. We're
No.
His head still in there?
yes. Dang. Hi. Here. Okay, that's enough. Thank you. Oh, see, you listen so well. Have a good day. Oh,
I thought you wanted to go where the big
Grandpa,
one.
go.
Papa,
I
go!
thought you wanted to go
Wow.
where the big one. I told you don't let the window up. when
Okay,
you-
well, go.
I'm going, Jessica. I can't go but so fast. I told you don't let the window up with them when they in.
It wasn't in there.